Good evening! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Tonight is our last episode of Honey, What's for Dinner Tonight? We are going to make a beef marinade. I'm sorry. We're going to make beef stir fry. And first, before we do the frying, is we're going to get our beef to get marinated. We put probably like around a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then teaspoon of your soy sauce, and then we'll mix that together. I have the dry seasoning here, salt, pepper, and mushroom seasoning, and we'll just put a little bit of it and we'll save that for the last thing. Okay, now first thing, we're going to fry saute the vegetables in the little bit of oil here, and we are going to just fry this real quickly. So the purpose for that is that when we do a stir fry here, our vegetables will not get mushy. It will be crunchy. So, okay, our oil is really hot now. And then we'll just put all these veggies, everything, just put it in there. Just so we'll saute this a little bit, and I have it on medium heat. Okay, now we're going to saute our garlic in there. That's good. I like a lot of garlic in there. We'll do our onions. Okay, then we put our meat. Okay, 5 minutes is over, so seasoning that I have in here, and then we'll put back the veggies that we have. Okay, I'll add a little bit of green peas just to give our stir fry color. That we let us check the potatoes, the one that's the hardest to cook. So we'll try the potatoes here. Here's one. Oh yeah, potatoes is done. So we'll put the sweet pepper here, just to give it colors here, more colors and flavoring. And our beef stir fry is done. Here is our finished product of our beef stir fry, and thanks for watching. Please comment below, like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.